Virginia Tech serves some of the best college food in the country, and each day offers a huge variety of options from 46 venues at 10 dining centers and 2 food trucks. To help students and guests see our daily offerings, we created the webpage Dining Services Online Menus that provides current menus and nutritional information for everything we're serving on campus. It even has an embedded search engine for allergens and ingredients. If you have food allergies, are a vegan or vegetarian, or just want to find a student favorite like General Tso's, our online menu is a fast, easy way to find out what our staff is preparing. Here's how it works. Go to Dining Services homepage, dining.vt.edu, and click on the drop-down menu in the upper right corner and select Daily Menus. You'll be directed to the Dining Services Online Menus, which provides up-to-date meal offerings at all of our dining centers around campus, with a list of their locations. Click on a specific dining center, then choose a venue for our current menu. For example, to see the lunch menu at D2, click on D2 at Dietrich Hall, then Lunch and Manja. You can also enter a dish, for example pizza, into the search engine labeled Find Your Favorite Food, and the results will tell you when and where it's available. If you're interested in more detail about any of the results, click again on any of the displayed menu items for nutritional facts, like calories, grams of carbohydrates, protein, and fats. You'll also see a complete list of ingredients. For a customized report by meal or day, enter the portions of several menu items and click the button Show Report for the complete nutritional breakdown of your entire meal or meals. The results are also labeled to help anyone with food allergies or dietary restrictions. Vegetarian, vegan, and halal entrees are also highlighted on the right. In the upper right-hand corner of the page, you will see a red exclamation point that is used to indicate the allergens that are present in a menu. You will see that red exclamation point again under the description of menu items to identify what allergens are present. Starting January 1st, 2023, sesame will become the 9th major allergen that must be labeled in plain language on packaged foods in the U.S. While some manufacturers may begin labeling for sesame sooner, they are not required to do so. Sesame has been added to our allergen filter, and we will continue to update our records as manufacturers comply with the new legislation. At any of the dining centers on campus, students with food allergies can also use the page's search filters for an easy way to find meals without specific allergens or individual ingredients. After selecting a dining center, a button for Allergen Ingredient Filter will appear on the right-hand side of the page. This pop-up menu allows you to utilize the Allergen Ingredient Filter by selecting the circle for Contains to view items containing only the allergens selected, or Does Not Contain to view items without any of those specific allergens. The allergen filters on the left side of the pop-up menu allow you to select from the 9 most common allergens: milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soybeans, sesame, as well as gluten. The pop-up menu's legend filters in the center column also allows guests to filter options labeled vegan, vegetarian, and halal. The third column, titled Ingredient Filter, allows guests to search for ingredients outside of the most common allergens in 3 search bars for more individualized results. For more than one ingredient, click on Or above the search bar, or click And to find meals with a specific combination of all those ingredients. All of these features are also available on the Hokie Dining app. Dining Services Online Menu is a great tool to help our students get the most out of what we believe is an outstanding dining experience. For the latest specials and events, follow Dining Services on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Snapchat.